emocionada, me siento contenta, el corazón me está palpitando. Nunca había participado en un evento así entre todos y lo más importante es que estoy pasando bien, creo que todos lo están pasando bien y no tengo palabras para decir el agradecimiento a todo lo que he aprendido aquí en la escuela y cómo he compartido con todos mis colegas.
I always do that, and I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel so you know it, 'cause I would know just what to say.
I'm very delighted and happy to be a part of this family and create such wonderful art. I'm also delighted to have graduated here as a student in the world of art. It is a dream come true. I feel that with the support of wonderful instructors and friends that they've helped me to come to the level of art that I am. And so we learned that in art, that in order to accomplish great things, we need others with great knowledge to help us get to that level. So I'm very delighted to see that we have many students here who are also on that same path and achieving the same goal in terms of making a mark of art in the art world. So I'm very delighted to be a part of this. Thank you.